Visuals, quick, exciting visuals of trading platforms, charts, and people celebrating profits. Want to learn how to make money from the markets? Imagine this: getting paid every day just by using your computer and a little knowledge. Sounds unreal? Well, it's not. Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start day trading as a beginner in 2024, and what you need to know to turn your passion into profit. Visuals, calm background, you speaking directly to the camera with friendly, welcoming tone. Hi, I'm your name, and in today's video, we're diving deep into day trading for beginners. Whether you're looking to make extra income or even start a full-time career from home, day trading can be a powerful tool. But here's the thing, it's not all about buying and selling quickly. If you don't know the basics, it can be a risky game. That's why I'm here to guide you through the most important steps you need to take to start your trading journey safely and successfully. Visuals, simple animations explaining the concept of day trading. Show a chart with short-term trades and the profit or loss in real time. So, first things first, what exactly is day trading? Well, day trading is the act of buying and selling stocks, options, or other financial instruments within a single trading day. That means you open a position in the morning, and you close it before the market closes at the end of the day. The goal: to take advantage of short-term price movements. But remember, this isn't about gambling. It's about using strategy, research, and your skills to make smart decisions. Visuals highlight key points like selecting a broker, opening an account, understanding charts, and practicing with a demo. Now that we understand what day trading is, let's talk about how to get started. Step 1. Choose the right broker. A broker is your gateway to the markets, and not all brokers are created equal. Look for one with low fees, easy to use platforms, and great customer support. Some brokers even offer demo accounts where you can practice without risking real money. Perfect for beginners. Step 2. Understand the markets. You need to learn the basics of the stock market and what influences price movements. Economic news, company earnings, and world events can all cause big price changes. This is crucial for your success in day trading. Step 3. Learn to read charts. This is your roadmap in the world of day trading. Knowing how to read candlestick charts, moving averages, and key indicators will help you make more informed decisions. Don't worry, we'll cover these tools in a future video. Visuals show to different traders with strategies, one focused on technical analysis, the other on news-based trading. Next, let's talk about strategy. This is one of the most important aspects of day trading. Without a strategy, you're just guessing, and that can lead to huge losses. So, how do you develop a strategy? First, you'll want to decide what kind of trader you are. Some traders focus on technical analysis, which means they look at charts and patterns to predict price movements. Others focus on news trading, where they make decisions based on the latest financial news, like earnings reports or government data. But no matter what, your strategy needs to include things like when to enter and exit a trade, how much risk you're willing to take, and setting goals. A great beginner's rule is the 2% rule. Never risk more than 2% of your trading capital over a single trade. This helps protect you from big losses. Visuals, a simple risk management table showing trade size, stop losses, and potential gains. Speaking of risks, let's talk about risk management. This is where many new traders go wrong. It's easy to get excited, but the key to long-term success is learning how to protect your capital. You need to have a clear plan in place for every trade. Know where your stop loss is, that's the point where you'll cut your losses, and how much you're willing to risk per trade. One of the best tools for risk management is using stop loss orders. A stop loss automatically sells your position if the price moves against you by a certain amount, so you don't lose more than you're comfortable with. Visuals showing a trading account with small trades at first, then gradually increasing trade size as confidence grows. As a beginner, starting small is key. Don't dive in with large amounts of money. Start with small trades and gradually build your confidence and skills. As you get more comfortable, you can scale up your trading size and strategies. Always remember, slow and steady wins the race. Visuals: a trader practicing on a demo account and gradually seeing improvements in results. Before you start trading with real money, practice. Many brokers offer demo accounts that let you trade with virtual money. Use this to get comfortable with your platform, learn how to place orders, and get a feel for the market. Don't rush into live trading until you've practiced enough. Visuals: you speaking to the camera, wrapping up with a call to action. Day trading can be an exciting and profitable way to engage with the markets, but it's also a skill that takes time and effort to develop. So, don't expect to get rich overnight. Take your time, educate yourself, and practice. If you follow the right steps and manage your risk, you'll set yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on day trading. And remember, the journey starts with just one step, so start small and trade smart. Visuals: outrow screen with your channel logo and links to other related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.